Alright, welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars, man. So there she is. Looks rough around the edges, that's good. That's exactly what Red Dog looks like. Still see the dents in the fenders? Perfect. That's absolutely perfect. That's what we're looking for. You want it to be perfect? Then we would have had to basically cut the fenders off, put new fenders on, all that crazy shit, and I think the fenders are quite capable of doing the job that they're supposed to be doing. Like I still got to paint on the inside of the fenders, but when I rebuild the leaf spring shackles and bushings and bolts, and got to replace the leaf spring on that corner. As soon as I'm done with all that, then I'll paint it all on the inside, you know. So yeah, but here's how she turned out. So, paint job is got a lot of fuzz in it now from the fuzz trees. It's best just to leave that alone. I painted over some of it, as you can tell, when I put the second coat on it. Had no choice. That way made it look rustic, you know. So, I got a mess to clean up here. Yeah, I think it looks alright. Turned out actually kind of nice for being a rat rod trailer, because it's going to haul a little car, and that's going to pull it. So anyway, paint job is now completed on the trailer. Well, I shouldn't say it's totally completed, but it's good enough now. I got rain coming here, so as you can see back there, it's darker. So, and it's tacky. It's really super tacky. So, once it got to that stage, I was like, yep, she'll hold a little bit of rain. But every minute that goes by, oh wow, yeah, that's not bad. Rain can fall on that, no problem. So anyway, yeah, I think she turned out just fine, guys. We got ramps to do, stuff like that to do. So, tires, bearings, seals, grease, all kinds of stuff, I guess. I might have to take those two things off yet off the front. That might be a problem. And I hope that, when I look at it, I hope that box ain't going to be a problem. Oh no, I hope not. Yeah, I hope not. You did a good job in that box. I like that box there, Mike. You did a good job. I like it. But, it's nice and deep, too. You did good. But yeah, I suppose that's it. Please like and subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.